Our academic support unit, they prep our students for the board exams, USMLE Step 1 exams and Step 2 exams, and our students typically score above the national average. So our prep is very good. They provide all types of online resources, study groups. Matter of fact, the last couple of months of the second year before the USMLE is devoted specifically to studying for the USMLE. So our students are very prepared for that. We typically score, I think, in 240 range in the USMLE Step 1 exam and with a 100% pass rate.